Welcome back. Now I'm going to talk about Baby Doge Coin and what its future looks like. Where is Baby Doge headed and what is the next big target? Baby Doge is a strong meme coin. A lot of people are asking how many zeros it could remove in the next bull run. In the past, it already removed 1 0, and during the next pump, it could potentially remove even more. It previously moved up from 0.0000000936, and we could be looking at target zones like 0.0000000082. Currently, Baby Doge is trading around 0.0000000013, and from here, it still has the potential to move up. It's a strong meme coin with strong community support. Many people who follow our older videos may have already entered around 0.0000000811 or even lower. Now let's look at the short-term chart. If Baby Doge hits this zone and holds, it can pump from there. But if it breaks down, it could dip further and give us a new buying zone. To summarize, Baby Doge is a strong meme coin and could pump again in the near future. What do you think? How far can Baby Doge go? Let us know in the comments. Like the video and subscribe for more crypto updates.